up through 2013, Corvettes are what we call bottom breathers. Some of them have grills in the front, some of them have openings in the front bumper. The fact of the matter is that all these Corvettes breathe from the bottom. They suck air up from the road, not from the front. And one of the most important things to help your car do that is called the air dam. Look under the front of your car and you'll see bits of black plastic like this. This is a right front from a C4 hanging down under the car. Now, in 68 through 79, it was all one piece that came across in black. 80 to 82 was two pieces, three pieces in C4, C5, and C6. But they all do the same thing. What they do is air hits these air dams and is forced upward over your condenser, over your radiator. So if you have these on your car and they are damaged, or if you've managed to go across one too many things that tore them off, it's time to replace them, because your car isn't going to cool correctly if you don't have air dams there helping to force the air up over the surfaces required for cooling. They are relatively inexpensive. You can usually get a set for a C4 for about 50 bucks. A little bit more for a C5 and C6, but still not a major expenditure, and it's something you can change yourself. So, next time you go out to drive your Corvette, before it gets too much hotter, just duck under the front of your car and take a look. Make sure that those pieces are there and that they're in the place they should be, not bent, not torn, not mangled. If they are, give me a call at 800-886-5064 and I'll help you get them and I'll tell you how to put them on. Until next week, have a great holiday weekend.